Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I want to show you how to use CapCut Pro features for free on your PC. So let's see how to go about that. So I'll come to CapCut official website. So I'll download this for free. You can download the CapCut for PC for free, of course. So I'll download it for free, and having to download it for free, I'll wait for it to get downloaded. So you could see right here, I'm downloading it already. When I have that downloaded, yes, so we have it downloaded right here. So I'll come right here to this. I'll come to CapCut installer. I'll try to use that to install. So I'm going to click on it and have it installed on my PC. So all I have to do is to double click on it and it starts installing CapCut officially on my PC. As you can see right here, is in 0%, so I'm going to wait for that to get installed on this PC before we proceed. So after the installation, you will be able to see your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So let's open the CapCut app. So here is the CapCut app, and you have to agree and continue with the terms and services. If you have a CapCut app before, you don't need to download a new one. You can keep using the one you have on your PC. So right now, let's do a preset. I want you to come to the settings. Make sure you come to the settings to do the preset. So make sure you are not logged in. Make sure you are not signed in or logged in. Then come to your settings as well. So when you come to your settings right here, come to these settings. And when you come to settings, you see your save to. That's what you want to change. Leave every other thing. You can leave every other thing the way you want to leave it. But this save to is what we want to preset. So let's preset this. So I'm going to choose the folder right here. Having to choose the folder, I have to create a new folder for that. So I'm going to create downloads for that. And I'm going to create a new folder. So I'll call this a new folder and I'll call it CapCut Pro. Yes, I'll call it that. Then I'm going to choose that as my folder for save to. So I'm going to click on this, and having to click on this right now, I'm going to just leave it that way. Then I'm going to save. Then I'll proceed to create a new project. So let's proceed to create a new project before we proceed. So come to store.bullardcreative.com. You can get CapCut Pro as well, not just the CapCut Pro, but I'm teaching you how to use it for free without having to get that. So you can come to creative tools. Here in creative tools, you see a lot of tools. You see tools like voiceover tools, Canva, you see your Google AI Pro, you see your Filmora, you see your free pick, you even see CapCut for PC only right here. But right now in this video, I'm showing you how to use CapCut for free, and you see this Google AI Pro plan is what I used to create some of these videos on Google View 3. So you could see right here, I have some of these videos. I want to pick one of these videos right now. So let me get this out. This is what I want to get out. So let me get this video out. So I'm going to download that. I've gotten it out. So let me come back to my CapCut to keep using it right now. So I'm going to import the video I just downloaded. So I'm going to come to download right here to take the video I just downloaded, which is this. So I'm going to import it to my CapCut and try to do one or two things. So what I want to do now is to use a pro feature. So let me use a pro feature right now. So this is a pro feature, for instance. I'm going to use this, and when you check it out, so that's a pro feature. When you see this diamond or ruby kind of icon, you should know that those are pro features. This is not a pro feature because it doesn't have that. So let's input another pro feature. For instance, let's input another one. So let's input something like this. This is a pro feature as well, so I'm going to input that as well. So when I try to export, I won't be able to export because I'm not on a pro plan. I'm not even signed in the first place, and I'm not on a pro plan. So what I want to do now is to export. When I try to export, I won't be able to export. So it's either you join pro, which you have to pay, or you use this method I want to show you right now. So I'll go back to my edit. So what I want to do right now, I want you to highlight all the elements you've used. So that's what I just did. I'm going to right click, and having to right click, I will use it to create compound clip. So make sure you create a compound clip to make sure your clip are one. So I'm going to create a compound clip right there. So I just created a compound clip right there from this. So I'm going to come right here to right click again after creating the compound clip. So I'm going to use this preprocess compound clip right here, and it's going to preprocess the video for me. As you could see, it's preprocessing it, and this is the reading, so it's 12% right now. I have this right away. So let's go to the folder we created earlier on. So I'm going to come back to the folder I created earlier on. So I'm going to come to my downloads, and I'm going to come to my CapCut Pro. Right here in my CapCut Pro, you see CapCut Draft. So come to CapCut Draft right here. So this is the folder of the project I'm currently working on. As you could see, 0927. And if you come to CapCut, you see that's the name of the project, 0927, as you can see from here. So I'll come back to my download, and here I'm going to have the 0927. So where you have to go now, look at your folder right here. Where you have to go now is to go to resources. So having to come to resources, I want you to check combination. So when you check your combination, you will have the files you just worked on. These are the two files. This is the one you would need. You don't need this .alpha, you need the video. So you can easily get out the video even from here without having to even go ahead to export. You could even get it from here, but then if you try to export now, it's going to work. So what I want to do now is to come back to this CapCut, come to your media and bring in what we just found out in this folder. So I'm going to import it. Go to the CapCut Pro, go to CapCut Draft, go to this and come to your resources, then come to your combination. Then you will see the one with video. That's the one you need. So let's make sure it is bolded, the one you are seeing this video thumbnail. So I'm going to bring that in. So that is this that I just brought in. So instead of me using this, I'll just take this out, because when I still try to export, it won't be able to export. So what I want to do is to take this out and bring in the one I just brought in. So I'm going to bring in this one. So having to bring in this one, all I have to do now is to start exporting. Then it exports right away. As you could see, it's exporting it right away. So it's asking me, what do you want to name it? You can name it. You can choose where you want to export to. So I can choose I want to export to download. I could name it Archimedes. Then I'm going to have this exported. So I'm going to export it right away. So that is how to go about this. That is how to go about using CapCut Pro features for free without having to pay. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe to see more video like this. If you're having any challenge, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be able to reply you and fix it for you. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.